Hello everyone, this is Quality Trucks Japan Trading Corporation. Today is my unit Isuzu L4HF1 14 feet standard size. So let's come, I will show you the exterior and also the interior of this unit. So this is cyan color, newly painted with the white combination. You can see 14 feet cargo, back tail lights, cargo bag. It's a standard size. Very nice color. This is fully mechanical. So very nice. Everything is working. Isuzu logo, headlights, indicator lights. So let's come, I will show you the interior. See, wow, it's a power window with the new upholstery, upper roof ceiling with roof floor matting. So this is downside of the chassis, new battery installed already. Chassis with secondary chassis, the Muller upper side of differential. So let's come, I will show you now the drive of this unit. So we are based in Lagindigan, Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental, Lampok Barangay, Alopejed, Cagayan de Oro. If you like my video, please subscribe and also like and comments. Thanks for watching. Take care.